Hello everyone, welcome to MCA of the School. This one is Alok Pandey of class 8 standard, which is going to tell you about very interesting topic, geometry. So let's start with the introduction of geometry. Here, the word geometry is derived into two words, geo and metron. Here, geo and metron are two Greek words. Geo means earth, and metron means measurement. So we can say that geometry means the earth measurement. Here the geometry include lines, angles, triangles, and so on. So let's start with the topic line. Line. A line is a straight path that extends indefinitely in the both directions. Suppose that it is, we can draw like that. It is line, and we can name that it is line L. We can draw any line, it cannot be end. Now we proceed to the next, which is parallel line. Parallel line. Two lines in the same plane does not intersect each other is called parallel line. Suppose that we can draw two lines like that. Suppose we can draw two lines. We can name that L and M. Here it is two line, it is parallel line because here it does not both line does not intersect each other and go in a same plane. So it is called parallel line. Now we proceed to the next line, which is intersecting line. What is intersecting line? When two lines intersect each other at a point is known as intersecting line. Suppose that we can draw line like that. Here is line L and it is line M. It is intersecting line because the line L intersect line M at a point O. So it is called intersecting line. Now we proceed to second line. So let's start with other, which is concurrent line. Concurrent line. Three or more lines are go in a same point, which is known as concurrent line. Suppose that we can draw one line, two lines, concurrent line. Suppose that we can draw three lines, L, M, and N. It is concurrent line because all these three lines are go in a same point O. So it is called concurrent line. Now we proceed to the next line, perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. Suppose that we can draw two lines L and M like that. Suppose that we can draw two lines like that. Suppose we can draw two lines like that. It is line L and it is line M. It is known as perpendicular line because it to make a 90-degree angle, so it is called perpendicular line. So we proceed to the next line, which is known as transversal. Transversal. When one line intersects three or more lines is known as transversal. For example, if we draw like that, it is one line, name that L, and its second line M, and it is third line N. And when a line intersects is all three lines, which is A, so it is called transversal because it is intersect three or more lines. Now we proceed to the next, which is angle. Now we proceed to next topic, angle. What is angle? When two rays meet at the same initial point is known as angle. For example, if we draw like that, it is angle because here is a we can name that A O B. It is angle because here is a two ray AO and OB is the two ray which is meet at same initial point O, so it is called angle. Now we proceed to the interior and exterior of the angle.